participant. Not to join. Too early? Beta, why are they not joining? Incorrect password. एक मिनट. What is the problem? I don't know. मैम एक मिनट मैम, शशि मैम को भेज दीजिएगा, कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. देखा था देख. हाँ, आई एम टेकिंग. आई एम टेकिंग बट देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम. क्या हो रहा है देख रहे हैं?
10 साल लिखा हुआ है, आपने लिंक पुराना डाल दिया
है.
आपने वही 1040 वाला लिंक डाल दिया ना.
अरे तो वो धोखे से रहते, बट लिंक तो वही है.
लिंक वही है.
हाँ, ये क्या हो रहा है? नहीं मैंने लिख दिया है, बट वो स्टार्ट ज्वाइनिंग तो लिखा है मैंने, बट दे आर नॉट एबल टू ज्वाइन. क्यों? क्या चीज है देखना जरा सा. लिंक तो वही है, सच्ची मम्मी यही बताया. ये लिंक है, कहीं इसी हमको बता दे क्लास. मेरे लिए तो क्या कर, क्या करें दोबारा?
हाँ क्या करें, मेल खड़ा हुआ है.
पता नहीं क्या किया इनका.
ये भेजो
है. भेजेंगे कैसे? बुलाए शशि मैम को, क्या?
सही चल रहा है आपका लिंक. मैं रिकॉर्डिंग में रिज्यूम कर दी.
ठीक है, तो मैं वीरेश कम, तो दैट मींस इट इज करेक्ट. साधना मैम, why is she ringing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Viresh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, are you facing some problem to join the meeting?
Yes, ma'am. The password is not English. I tried with social, so I could join.
Okay. Password is socials. Okay. Fine. Password social.
Yes, ma'am. Capital
Okay.
social.
Okay.
वीरेश को बोलो ग्रुप पे डाल देगा.
हाँ.
वीरेश. वीरेश बेटा सुन पा रहा है मुझे?
हाँ.
वीरेश बेटा मेरे को सुन पा रहे हो आप?
Yes, sir. सुन पा रहा
बेटा जो पासवर्ड है एक बार ग्रुप पे डाल दे तू.
सोशल डाल देते, सोशल.
कैपिटल में सोशल
Okay,
कैसे
sir.
है? कैपिटल्स में है.
सर डाल दिया.
ओके. ABC में सब मिला.
एक मिनट बेटा.
We have joined साधना मैम्स क्लास. ये क्या हो रहा है? Just wait. Viresh? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you are able to join this socials password?
Yes, ma'am.
But others are, why I got a message from Akshita that she is not able to join with this password socials.
No, ma'am. She sent it before I sent that password.
Acha, so but others are not joining C section. I have already mentioned on the C
Sadhana
section.
ma'am also sent
There is
her
some
link.
confusion. Okay, Sadhana, I did not see Sadhana ma'am's link there on the sent on the group. Okay, now Daksh has seen. And so just convey personally. Okay, now Daksh is there in the class. Okay, Daksh has come. Others also. I have already given this link. B section. Okay. बाकी she sent this message ki ye ma'am what ye needed. Ye. Even this password I am unable to join, but others as Srishti has come. But that is correct, na? Srishti has come. Karki has come. Srishti, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Srishti, Gargi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Password ma'am, social media.
So that is what I mentioned. Maybe we did not change it. Last time we changed it. So, okay. हाँ बेटा हाँ that is okay, full screen ना we
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now let's start our class. Yes beta.
Ma'am, there is some confusion. Actually, Sadhana ma'am is saying to join her class and
नहीं बेटा I have already messaged Sadhana ma'am. I have already told Sadhana ma'am that this is not her class. I have a class with you. Okay, so everyone will join English class. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's start with the revision. I've already mentioned on the group that join English class. Okay. I will mention it again so that the confusions are over. Fine. Yes. Fine. Puneet.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So, okay, we'll revise the poem on killing a tree. Yes, are you ready with the book, everyone?
Ma'am, please wait.
हाँ बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
But still, I'm not getting that. Just call Gagan for a while. Not. Still, I'm not getting. Fine. So I
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
So try to keep your video on, everyone. Vivanshu Sahi is there, Srishti, Gautam, Ajaya, those who can. Here, I hope the book is ready with you. Daksh, Srishti, Gautam,
Yes, ma'am.
Ragi. Okay, now. So let's start with this poem on killing a tree. I think this poem was discussed. You understood the poem also? Let me try. Let me see how far you have understood. So who is the poet of the poem? Come on. Let's start with the basic one.
Ma'am, give
Basic.
give
Ma'am,
Patel.
Gleek Patel.
Ma'am, Keith Patel.
Okay. If he has a surname Patel, then he should be Indian or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Ma'am, which
Yes.
chapter?
Okay. From which place do you expect him to be? From Gujarat?
Ma'am, Gujarat.
Gujaratis mostly have these surnames, na? Patel.
Ma'am,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
chapter?
Okay, fine. He's an Indian. He's an Indian. What? Right. Yes, he's not only an Indian poet, but a playwright also. Who is a playwright?
Who writes
One who writes?
drama?
Plays.
Plays dramas.
Yes, one who writes plays. Okay, very good. So let's start with the first paragraph, the first extract. It takes much time to kill a tree, not a simple jab of the knife will do it. Oh, what is the meaning of jab? What is the meaning of the word jab?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
We used a
strike.
pencil
Strike.
that day might be.
ma'am, strike.
Huh?
One
Ma'am, strike.
Strike. Strike. So now the question is, why can't a simple jab cut a tree? Why can't a simple jab cut a tree?
Ma'am, because it will heal again.
It will heal again, but why? What is the basic reason? Tree.
Ma'am, the symbol.
The
jab.
answer is in the same extract. The answer is in the same extract. Find out.
Ma'am,
It takes
it is
much time. Why does the poet say it takes much time to kill
Ma'am,
a tree?
because
ma'am,
it is
because
life.
it is grown slowly consuming the earth.
Yes, this is the main reason. Yes, it doesn't grow in a day. It takes many years to grow. Yes, and what does it consume during that period of growth? It is written there, slowly consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water. Is it or not? So it will be difficult to cut a tree by a single jab. Is it understood now? So why it would be difficult to cut a tree with a single
Yes.
jab?
Yes,
Because it
ma'am.
has consumed years of sunlight, air, and yes, water,
Water.
as it is given. Yes. Clear? Okay. The next question, how does a tree grow? The answer is in the same extract. How does the tree grow? Find out the lines, Abhinav.
Ma'am, absorbing air, water.
Slowly consuming
Okay.
the earth's
By absorbing
Absorbing
air,
years of
water, and
sunlight,
Sunlight
air,
and water.
yes. Feeding upon, that could be an added line, feeding upon its crust. What is the meaning of the word crust, Dhananjay?
Ma'am, outer part of the earth.
The outer layer of the layer of the earth.
Yeah.
Yes. Hmm. Now, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water. Out of his leprous hide. Leprous refers to Harsh Kumar. Leprous. What is leprous? Why this word leprous is being used here?
Yes, ma'am.
In what context this word is given there? Leprous.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, leprous means infected.
Infected, infected. Okay. It is being referred. It is what is the similarity drawn there? With which it is being compared to the hide or the skin of the tree is being compared to what?
Ma'am, it is compared to infected skin.
Infected skin due to leprosy.
Ma'am,
Due to
We
leprosy.
discussed
Okay,
the
ma'am.
word leprosy in the last class.
Yes.
Leprosy. What is leprosy? It's a
Leprosy.
disease.
Ma'am,
It's a
it's a kind of disease in which
Ma'am, it's a
No, it's a
kind of
disease.
disease.
Yes, it's a disease which affects what? The toes
Ma'am.
and the fingers.
yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. Now, so hide here refers to something hidden. Hide is referred to roots.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am,
So
skin.
hide is referred to skin. The skin of the tree,
Skin.
the upper what?
Again,
Skin of the tree. And out of its leprous hide
one
sprouting leaves.
bark of the tree.
bark of the tree, you can say. Yes. So that out of its leprous hide, why is it being described leprous? Because of what? It gets dried up, but as it takes a lot many years for the tree to grow up, it is likely to sprout again. Sprout again means what? Grow again.
Again.
Yes. So it would be difficult to cut a tree by a single jab of knife. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It would be difficult to cut a tree by a single jab of knife. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A single jab of knife, a single strike of knife will not kill a tree, will not cut the
Tree.
and the reason is already given there. Now, what is the figure of speech which is used in the leprous
metaphor.
hide? Leprous
A
hide.
metaphor.
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 Okay. 2 students are there with us today. Come this side. Show yourself. I hope you come this side now so that they can see you. Do you recognize her? They are attending offline. And you come here, Akshat. Do you know that offline classes are also going on? So these 2 students have
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to join and they are in the class with us. Okay, right. Offline, online, both the modes are going on. Come, sit down. Fine. So leprous hide. What kind of hide? Hide is what described to be infected. So this figure of speech, metaphor. Clear?
Metaphor.
So literally leprous hide refers to the skin which is infected. Literally, if you go by the literal sense. But here it is being used for what? That the skin has dried. The dried skin of the tree. Okay. So metaphorically, it refers to what? The dried surface of the tree. Metaphorically. But literally it means what? Being infected by. Fine. Now, what does the tree symbolize in the poem? Shreya Gangwar. What does the tree symbolize in the poem? Are we
Ma'am,
talking
new
about
evils.
tree in the literal sense?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, new evils that are germinating.
Evil, not evil. Evil. We're talking about. So here, tree. What? It symbolizes what? Deep rooted. You have to add with that. See, it's not only evil. Deep rooted evil. So is it easy to pull out deep rooted evil from our psyche, from our soul? We need lots of
No, ma'am.
So here the tree symbolizes what? Deep rooted evils, not evil, evil. Clear? It had been practiced since years. Because see, habit itself, the word habit itself means something which we have been practicing for ages. Habit is not formed in a day. It's a very common phrase. Habits die hard. Habits die hard. Why do we say? Because it has become what? A regular practice
Ma'am,
for us.
it
So
Ma'am, a
they
regular
die
practice.
hard. In the same way, evil. If you talk about evil, some habits are good. Some habits are good. We're not talking about those good habits. We're talking about evil habits.
Bad.
What are
Bad
habits?
habits.
What are habits of practices which we see around,
practices.
which we see around us in the society? Yes, and of course within us also. Clear? So when we indulge in evil practices, if we talk about the evils which we practice on individual level, that also takes a lot of time to pull out, to die,
Grow.
to die, to die. Yes? Now the next, so hack and chop. But this alone won't do it. Not so much pain will do it. So hack and chop, it has to be a continuous process. What is the meaning of the word hack? Yes? Pavani,
Ma'am,
what is the meaning of the word
striking
hack?
another.
Come on. Hack.
Ma'am, like to cut in a single stroke.
No. Not with the single jive. Single jive is understood. That strike is something heavy.
Yes, ma'am.
Strike
Something
having
heavy.
blow.
Okay. Okay. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. This alone won't, but this would not be what? the only way to kill the evil from our own self or from the society. They need some more efforts, a lot many efforts. Not so much pain will do it. And see, it's very easy to keep on practicing something. Yes, but it's very difficult to come on to overcome from those practices. Yes, addictions. You would have heard about addictions. They are not formed in a day. And these addictions, they lure us, they attract us, but it takes lots of efforts to completely come out of that. Is it or not? So,
Yes, ma'am.
this pain, and for that you need to take lot of pain on individual level also, and on the basis of what is being practiced since years in society. Yes, it is not an easy task. The bleeding bark will heal. Now, bleeding bark. Which figure of speech is used?
Metaphor.
Alliteration.
Bleeding. It
alliteration.
is repeated, then what? Alliteration.
Alliteration.
B. Consonant is there. B. Bleeding bark. Okay. Alliteration. And there is one more. What is being described as bleeding?
Ma'am, metaphor.
Metaphor. Yes,
Metaphor.
metaphor and alliteration. The bleeding bark will heal. So with simple hack, with simple chops, with simple efforts, this will not heal completely. This will not be killed completely. It will again heal. It will again generate into or sprout into new branches, new evils. Because one evil leads to more evil. It's a vicious circle. Write down somewhere vicious circle. Vicious means never ending. One thing leads to another. One thing leads to another.
Ma'am, spelling.
VISCIOUS, vicious circle. Okay, and that is why these problems we talk about, that we discussed about dowry, child labor, whatever the crimes which are present in our society. Yes, it takes years of patience. It takes years of perseverance. What is the meaning of perseverance? What is the meaning of perseverance? Patience is understood. What is perseverance? Means what? Keep trying again and again in spite of failures. Okay. We are not sure that we will get success in one go. Yes. So for that, failures are likely to happen. But those who keep trying in spite of the failures, so what is that rare quality which they display? Perseverance. Perseverance. Because of, it is not, we cannot tell everybody to stop doing something, banning something. In spite of the efforts made by the government, are these practices not going on openly? Yes, openly. Child labor is punishable by law.
Yes, ma'am.
Child labor is punishable by law.
Yes, ma'am.
So those who practice that, or the children, those who are involved, they should be behind bars. Is it or not? How many of them are there? Hardly. We see them everywhere. Even in front of whom? The law? Come on. Who protects us? Who protects our laws? Okay, who protects our laws? The laws which are made. Who protects our rights?
Ma'am, the police.
The police, yes, is it or not? And even they see it. But they don't. But they don't take any action.
Act
They don't take
against
any
him.
action. It is their duty, if they see any child being employed or being involved in any kind of physical work, they should punish whom? The people, those who involve them or not. Only then something could be done to save these children from exploitation. But who does that? Nobody. Is it or not? So these things will not die in a day. That will take years of patience, years of effort, years of perseverance, and a lot of courage. So the bleeding bark will heal, and from close to the ground will rise curled green. Yeah, this is what happens. See, if the tree is not being pulled out, the roots are being left inside the ground, then even though we don't water the plant, it is likely to sprout because of the nutrients present in the soil. They will grow into new plants. So new curl leaves are likely to grow up. Miniature boat. What is the meaning of miniature? Opposite of miniature.
Ma'am,
Come
small.
on.
Very small.
Opposite of miniature. Okay.
Ma'am, huge.
Huge. Elaborate. In different contexts, this could be what? According to the context. Miniature is something very small. Miniature. So miniature box are likely to grow up, are likely to rise. Which, if unchecked, will expand again. If those little twigs are not taken care of, if they are not being pruned, they are likely to grow into what? Tree again. Yes. So those twigs right from the very beginning, those little efforts, whatever the efforts the evil tries to, it's very easy for the evil to expand. Is it or not? Evil practices are very easy to grab. That is why what reigns the world? Evil or goodness? What reigns the world? Evil or goodness?
Ma'am, evil.
I'm goodness.
Evil. Goodness, no. Goodness is people, those who try to practice goodness, they also after some time compromise. They give up. Because that journey is very tough. Because we need other good people also. Is it or not? If we don't have, I practice goodness. But if I don't find people practicing that I will be frustrated. And that could lead me to problems. And who accepts problem in life? Nobody of us. So gradually what happens? People compromise. Yes? And adopt and adapt. We discussed these two words, adapt and adopt. Yes, we adapt accordingly. ऐसा होता चला है, चलो, no problem. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? What can I do? I will not employ children at my home. ठीक है? I will not employ. If I actually think about child labor, I would on personal level not employ children at my home. ठीक है? On individual. Fine? And to some extent, I could also object according to my capacity. If I see some children being employed by others, I could object. But how far I can? And then finally, I also adjust. I also adapt and adopt. And then that is how the evil expands. Is it or not? How many of you, how
Yes,
many of us
ma'am.
go and complain about the children those who are employed? Nobody of us.
Ma'am, no one.
No one. You know, begging is also a crime. Do you know that?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Begging is punishable by
ma'am.
law. And what we do? We give. So what do? We help in its expansion.
Yes, ma'am.
In order to crush this tendency among people to beg and support themselves instead of doing some work, we should first of all stop. What we should do? Cut it. Come on. How? On individual level. We should not give. We should not give.
Stop giving
Yes,
the
we should not give alms. That's why I call alms. ALM, alms means something which is given in terms of food, clothing, or money. And what happens? We see young children with balloons or something. Yes,
Ma'am, but
And-
these days they are not ready to accept any food.
they're not ready because that is how they're being trained
Yes,
from.
ma'am.
They're being trained. They're very smart kids, unlike you people, foolish people. They actually learn by their experiences. That is why those kids are, they're very because they've seen the world in the real sense at a very young age, which you would not even think of, because you have all the facilities. Is it or not? But these children actually see the harsh realities
Yes,
of life. So
ma'am.
they become quite mature
Yes,
at a very
ma'am.
young age, beta. They're very observant also. They're very observant, unlike us, unlike the privileged children like you. They don't get easily dodged. You cannot cheat them. Yes, they may be hardly 10 or 12 years, but the kind of wisdom they display is beyond their age. Because at very young age, they see life in the real, in true colors. which you might likely to see in after 12 or once you complete your college life. They understand people. Okay, and accordingly, they play a sympathy card. Pavni, have you been to the mall?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you observe there mostly? If we talk about child labor, do you find children with balloons there?
Ma'am, like,
Is it or not?
yes, ma'am.
Chasing you.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
their elders are also present there, beta. There at the same time. And they are quite hale and hearty. They can easily work. But what do? They involve their children to gain our sympathy. And that is their business. You ask them, you tell them, you just call them for work, they will refuse. Do you remember one chapter? The beggar. Is it or not?
The beggar.
Beggar, that chapter also talks about the same. The people, they become what? They become lethargic. Because they feel that they could easily encash our sympathy. So why to work? Is it or not? So these are their what? Manipulations. So can we call them dumb? Are they dumb?
No, ma'am.
Are they dumb?
ma'am.
No, they are not dumb. We are dumb. We get carried away. हाँ बच्चा पूरा बच्चा
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चा everything, and then bachcha's parents enjoy at our what cost? And you know it is a very flourishing business. It is a flourishing business actually for it. Without any, come on, risk. Without any risk. Who will
Yes,
catch hold of
Yes,
them?
ma'am.
Ma'am, but
Who
the
will catch hold
government
of
will
them?
punish.
Huh? Who will punish them?
But the government can punish.
Can. Possibilities there. We are living in possibilities. Can. Okay, can. Maybe. But not in actuality. Okay. Right under the nose
Okay,
of
ma'am.
police, they ask for beggings. They should do that. Are they scared of the system? No. They are courageous. है ना? Because they are not scared. Are they courageous?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Or they become shameless? Or stubborn? Find out the correct word.
Ma'am,
Stubborn,
courageous.
thick-skinned,
Ma'am,
or
stubborn.
courageous? Daring. Huh? Come on.
Ma'am,
What do they
stubborn.
become? Stubborn. Thick-skinned. It hardly affects them. And sometimes government takes some action, this police department. Yeah, okay, they take some action. They might put them behind bars. And after few days, they're out. Again, business flourishes. So that is how it expands. Without, in spite of hacking and chopping. I hope this is understood. Hacking and chopping. Hacking and chopping means for putting them, those who are involved in involving children. They are being put behind bars at times. Some action is there. Some drive is there. Some campaign is launched. And after that, everything is settled. Have you heard of anti-encroachment drive? Have you heard about anti-encroachment drive? Any one of you? Harsh Tomar?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, what is encroachment? Illegal occupation of something. Actually, pata hai, Shashi ma'am, was some problem. I'll just say. Okay. So if unchecked, it will expand again to former size. So what is required? Hacking and chopping? No. Hacking and chopping will not. What not? What not serve the purpose? It has to be, come on, as you have seen. End of the poem. How can we kill evil practices from the society? Completely. Tell me. Soon.
Ma'am, by pulling out
Read the lines.
roots and
Read the lines from the poem. Read the lines from the poem.
then the matter of squashing and choking.
Choking,
the
not
sun and
choking with
rain.
a choking. Yes, very good. Last line, huh?
Browning, hardening, twisting, withering,
Ah,
and then it is done.
yes. So the entire process has to be what? Done in order to kill the tree completely. Clear to everyone? Yes?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now, okay. So now it's time for your next class. Okay, we'll revise the next poem. We'll continue with this revision also and we'll start the next, we'll revise the next one. What is the next poem which we did recently? Rain on the?
Window
Ma'am,
roof.
rain on the roof.
Written
Yes.
on the roof.
Okay, okay. Now you can join another
Thank you,
class.
ma'am.
It's already there. Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
okay.